Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 132, Calculus with Applications, Section 12.4, Problem 8. This is Section 12.4, Problem number 8. We have a function f of x equals 2x e to the 2x power. And we want to take the derivative of this function. So what you have to realize before you even start doing anything is what we have here is a product. So our function f of x equals 2x, I want to put the 2x in parentheses, times e to the 2x power, and I'll put e to the 2x power in parentheses. You don't need the parentheses, but it more clearly shows you what the different parts of the product are. So the first part of the product is the 2x, and the second part of the product, the e to the 2x. So one is a u, the 2x is the u, the e to the 2x is the v. So as I do the derivative, f prime of x is u prime v plus uv prime. And now when we get to the v prime part of it, off to the side I'll just put v prime is going to equal stuff prime times e to the stuff. I'll just keep that handy off to the side that I'll need when I fill in the value for v prime. So f prime of x equals, the first piece I have to figure out is u prime. So u is 2x, u prime is just 2. Because when you take the derivative of something with an x to the first power, the derivative is whatever the number in front is. In this case, just 2, positive 2. Then I have v. No prime, just v, so v is e to the 2x. So then, where I have the plus sign, plus u with no prime, so that's 2x. And then v prime. So v is e to some stuff. So v prime, you'll have stuff prime. So the stuff is 2x. So the derivative of 2x, as we saw, is just 2. And then you leave the e to the stuff the way it is. So e to the 2x. And that is the answer, but I have 2x2 e to the 2x. The 2's I can multiply together and turn into a 4. So I would like to neaten that up a little bit. So f prime of x is 2e to the 2x plus 2x2 becomes 4x, and it's times e to the 2x. So the final answer, f prime of x equals 2e to the 2x power plus 4x e to the 2x power.